Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing the part 2 of my massive Nykaa haul. If you haven't watched the part 1 already, please go and watch it, you will love it. So today I'll be sharing with you the rest of the products that I got from Nykaa sale. And if you're interested in knowing what I'm having on my lips today, I have used the e.l.f. lip liner in the shade Baddest Beige and Huda Beauty Power Bullet lipstick in the shade Interview. So here I have all of the products that I've got, and also there are a couple of products that's taking a little too longer than expected, so I will just mention it here. So let's get started with this skincare and then I will move on to the makeup. If you have been following me for a while now, you guys know that salicylic acid is something I just can't do without cause I have acne prone skin, and I've been using Derma salicylic acid products. It's been more than 2-3 years I think, so I thought of stocking them up. So this time I got their 2% salicylic acid gel face wash. Normally I use the 1% one. I just wanted to give this one a shot. And also I got their 2% salicylic acid face serum. Now they have changed their packaging and this is how the bottle looks like. The previous one I was using, it's white in color, but this time they have changed the color of the packaging. Then I got the Derma Snail Peptide 96 Hydrating Serum. It has 2% niacinamide and peptide. I have finished so many bottles of this, so I thought of getting another one because the one I'm using, it's almost over. As I've ordered these 3 products from Nykaa, I got their salicylic acid gel face wash for free. This is the 1% salicylic acid face wash that I was using. So this is, I guess, the 30 ml packaging. Oh, okay, look at that, how tiny it is. It's perfect for traveling. Then I got the Dot & Key Watermelon Underarm Roll-On with 4% AHA and BHA. Now this I've already started using and this smells really nice. Very similar to their watermelon range, and if you're looking for a good underarm roll-on, you can try this one out. Next I got another salicylic acid face wash. This is from Chemist at Play. It's their 2% salicylic acid face wash with azelaic acid and cica. Now let me tell you, Chemist at Play is a brand that has never disappointed me. I've already tried this particular face wash. I really liked it. I have tried one of their moisturizer. I've tried their underarm roll-on in the variant Peach. I have finished bottles of that, and also I really like their AHA BHA body lotion and their body wash. So yeah, this is one brand that I've been loving a lot lately. Alright, that's all I have for skincare, and now let's move on to the most exciting part, which is makeup. Let's start with this lip liner. I've got this Nykaa Lips Don't Lie lip liner in the shade Birthday Suit. Now Nykaa lip liners are something I really like. They're affordable but very good quality, and this was on flat 50% off, so I had to get it. Then I got another lip liner from M.A.C. It's their Edge of Desire lip liner in the shade 17 Barbie Bold. Okay, I have another one. This is from e.l.f. This is in the shade Mauve Aside. I don't know why I've got so many lip liners. These 3 are from drugstore. Also I have 3 high-end ones. So I got 2 lip liners from M.A.C and also I got this one from Tilbury. So let's start with the M.A.C ones. I've got in the shade Spice and Cool Spice. Now let me explain why I've got so many high-end lip liners. Cause they were on such good discounts. The M.A.C ones I got for 1480 rupees and the Tilbury was on flat 1600, so I had to get them. So this is in the shade Cool Spice. I was looking for a really nice cool toned brown lip liner. I tried the e.l.f. ones too. They are really nice, but also I wanted to get this one, and look at that. This is the perfect cool toned nude brown for me. And then also I have M.A.C Spice. This is how M.A.C Spice looks like. I am so happy with these 2 lip liners, and let's try the Tilbury one now. This I got for 1600 rupees. Can you guys imagine? This is the Tilbury Lip Cheat in the shade Pillow Talk Medium. This is how Pillow Talk Medium looks like. Okay, these are all of the lip liners that I got, and I am quite happy with the shades I got. I was this little away from ordering the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I already have the mini one which I'm about to finish, so I thought of ordering another one, but then I saw this one and I realized that the Mars one is also really good, and I have already finished one, so I know it performs really well. So I didn't order the Precisely My Brow Pencil. Instead I ordered this one. This particular brow pencil is really fine. It performs really well. I used to love the Nykaa micro brow pencil. I don't know why it is out of stock for a really long time. That was my favorite drugstore brow product, but as that one is not available, so this is something you should definitely go for. Then I saw this one on Nykaa. I think it's their newest launch. It's their Eyebrow Definer Duo 2-in-1, and they have mentioned it has one eyebrow gel, one eye pen. Look at the packaging, it's so nice. Look at that, it's jet black. How am I supposed to use it on my brows? I think I can use it as my eyeliner. And then I have a brow mascara. This is also quite dark. I don't know how am I supposed to use it on my brows. Look at that, the tip is so messy. Look at the amount of mess it has created. The nib has so much product in it. I don't know how am I supposed to use it. So if you are someone who is planning to get this one, think twice. Next, I got this e.l.f. Hello Glow powder filter. This is their pressed powder, like a compact, and I have seen such good reviews on this particular product. And as e.l.f. was on buy one get one free offer, I also ordered one eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks like. It also comes with a mirror and a puff. This has a really nice coverage, and look at that, it has a beautiful sheen to it. It's not flat matte. This compact is straight up reminding me of the Tilbury compact, but Tilbury is more finely milled and more lightweight. This is not that good, but it's quite close. Look how instantly it has brightened up my face, and it's not looking flat matte. This is one eyeshadow palette I was eyeing on for a really long time, as e.l.f. was having buy one get one free offers, so I got these two. Now this eyeshadow palette is so beautiful because this has such beautiful shades for everyday use. I love the color scheme of it and how beautiful it looks. The matte shades are really beautiful. I also love the shimmers. I know how e.l.f. eyeshadow palettes perform because I already have those mini palettes, but this time I thought of investing in a better one. I got the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This is the full size product, and I was eyeing on this for a really long time, and this I got for 1900 rupees. Can you guys believe it? I have used it just once today. After doing my makeup, I set it with this setting spray, and my makeup looks really nice, but still I need to try it for a long day and then I will let you know my thoughts. But I know this is a really nice product, and this makes your makeup look long lasting. It doesn't dry out your skin, it doesn't make your skin look flat matte, which I really liked about this. And so far my makeup is looking really nice, but yeah, I need to try it out more. And lastly, I got this one from Mars. It's their newest launch. It's their Glow Fly Liquid Highlighter, and let me show you the packaging. It's so beautiful. This is how the applicator looks like. I quite like this kind of thick applicators. Wow, this is so lightweight. It blends beautifully, and it doesn't contain any shimmer or glitter chunks to it, so you can totally mix it with your foundation and moisturizer. Also, you can use it on its own as your highlighter. It doesn't contain any shimmer or glitter chunks, and it gives you a very beautiful natural looking glow. Alright, now I will quickly talk about the products that I have ordered but hasn't arrived yet. Not more, I have just 3-4 products to talk about. The first one is this Dove Go Fresh Roll-On Deodorant. This was on flat 50% off, so I have ordered 2, and as you can see, it's already out of stock. Then I have ordered this Micro Brow Pencil from Stays. It's their All Eyes on You Precise Plus Smooth Micro Brow Definer. This is available in one shade, which is natural brown, and this is also on flat 50% off, and it costed me around 150 rupees. Then I've ordered this Be Blunt Hot Shot Heat Protectant Hair Mist. I've been using this one. It's been more than 2-3 years, I think. Whenever I style my hair, I always use this. Then I've ordered these facial razors from M.A.C. Normally I use the Bombay Shaving Company razors, but this time I thought of trying this one out because I've heard such good reviews on it. And as you can see, see currently it's on 32% off. And lastly, I've ordered this body spray from and it's their Love Muse perfume deodorant body spray. I have already finished up one entire bottle. It smells really nice. It's perfect for everyday use. It retails for just 164 rupees. Currently it's on flat 45% off, so I've ordered it. And yeah, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. All of the product details, links, everything will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And please subscribe to my channel and join my fam. It would mean the absolute world to me. And that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.